Hi, I'm Stacey J from here, from my studio. There you go. Hi, I'm Stacey J and welcome to my studio. It is after 5:30 today. I have been to singing. I have done lots of things today. We had started off the morning with a medical appointment for Victoria, so got that sorted, dropped her off at school, and I jumped into a medical appointment of my own. I became horned with some dry ice on my head to try and get rid of some skin lesions before they became nasty as under the guidance of a Dr. William Hunt. He is checked out to see if there's anything dangerous. It's a bit ouchie manouchie. I still got a headache, throbbing, and I got one on my back as well. So let's hope it nips it in the bud. As I said to him, let's just nip it. He wanted to give me cream, and last time I had the cream, my whole edge of my hair scabbed up, so which means it's not good. It means something's wrong. I stopped doing that. Okay, so today is my Make 9 for 2024, and I am well underway where I have completed 2. I am currently wearing one for you to show you that I'm wearing one. This is my V-neck cuff. Let me find it. Standby caller. Not that you're going anywhere. It is I have a picture of it. I should do like a bingo, shouldn't I? It is the assembly line V-neck cuff top. I've done that one. I have also made the apron dress from the assembly line as well. So my assembly lines are assembled and together. See what I did there? Okay, I am working on something else. I showed you yesterday about these gorgeous wee little pantaloons for wee Abigail. I did a little top and made like a little white beard and a hat. Should be Santa. Okay, so that fabric is left over from my third make for the sea. Well, I haven't made it. I'm in the midst of it. I have been a bit busy today to even get to it. I did have a client as well, so I had to race home. Horrible stormy weather today, so I drove very, very carefully home. And I am actually about to, in the midst of getting around to making my Vogue V9340. Now I am making it out of this fabric, which is broclay. Is it broclay? Which I've made a jumper for myself. I had leftovers. I'm using leftovers. I think I talked to you the other day. I'm using leftovers. Cut it up. Well, got some leftover. Make something. That's how I made the fern bird. And I'll give you the helmet. God, listen to me. Crazy. The guy must have froze my brain. I did. I got a brain freeze. I'm sitting there on the couch, and then he's on my back one, and then he's standing there. He goes, it's sore. Yeah. And I go, oh, and he goes, brain freeze. I went, yeah. And he was like, yep, I'll give you a minute, eh? And I went, well, no one can come in. Well, until you write up my notes anyway. So this is the hat. Oh, okay. I've just taken myself back. Oh, shivers. Hang on. It's right between my eyeballs. I shouldn't laugh like that. I just took myself back to, have you guys seen Hoodwinked? Anyway, tell me, people. It's that way. Who am I? I'm Little Red Riding Hood. What have I done? What have I done? That is it. That one's just way too long. So I've made this one. I'm not doing the tie because I don't think this would go nicely tied. I don't think. I do have fabric left over in case I want to do the tie, but I don't think I'll do a tie. I want to do a black frog there to hook up, because that's the only closure you have. I'm not a Bowie kind of girl. A little China girl. That's my my inhibitions, my thingo of David Bowie. Okay, a Little Red Riding Hood. I'm not 100% sure. Now this is an unlined jacket. Okay, so I'm aligning it because I live in Wellington, and Wellington, although gorgeous on a sunny day, cold and wet on a wet day. Okay, this is going to be the lining. So there it is. Okay, so I will be lining that. So there I am with my Make 9s. It is tomorrow's the 5th, isn't it? Well, for me it's the 5th. Oh, by the time you guys get this, it might be the 5th. I've got to do my yellow vlog tomorrow. I might do it a little bit different to everyone else. But anyway, oh, look, so I actually didn't wear this top today. The earrings matched the top I was wearing, but... So that's where I am with my Make 9s. I'm up to number 3. I have cut it all out. I'll take you for a little walk. Oh, no, I won't. I'll turn you around and put you... Oh, come on. Look, I loose, tighten things up, and then I just... Ow. Right. Joanne, my singing teacher, couldn't believe I was actually there to sing. I said, oh yeah, got to sing. Singing makes me feel better. Okay, so I've got, I've done the hood and the sleeves. Oh, that's how it goes. And the sleeves are here. Okay, so I've sewn them together. They have a nice little, little stitching at the bottom that brings it in. So it sort of bellows out a bit, so that's quite cool. It's self-faced. I've done the interfacing onto the sleeves, the sleeve facings. Okay, I will make the lining the same as everything, except for I will fold back on the front where it's this is the back and this is where I've just want to leave the pins in there. But in the front here, it's got the front facing that folds back. You can see it on the pattern there. Okay, can you see that on the pattern? Yep. So that will fold back, and what I'll do is I will fold that back when I cut out the lining. The lining will come to there. I'll tack it down, and then I'll fold that back so it sits in behind that. So this will still be the facing, but it's going to be lined, because I'm not sure why it's not lined. I'm really baffled. It's my pockets, because every girl needs pockets. This fluff, this Willow loves this stuff. She's got her own little pieces, and she just loves it. So I've got that underway. I had a client come in today. I fixed their stuff on the spot because that's my dancer who has the long body and short dresses. Not short dresses, but short in the body, because the dancing is all part of the suit on the inside. So I just fixed up something for her and her husband, so who is her dance partner. They're magical on the dance floor. Magic on the dance floor. Yep, anyway, so that's where I'm at. So I'm up to number 3. I don't think I'm going too badly. I'm in March and I'm up to number 3. If we take it on the weather off today, I need this coat.
It's currently clear and 16 degrees.
Currently clear. Has it been raining today, Siri? Hey, Siri. She doesn't like me. She doesn't like me when I talk to her, but she likes me when I'm not talking to her. Rude. Yeah. I thought that was her coming back and saying something else. So, yeah, so that's where I am with my Make 9. So, are you all proud? I'm going great guns. Also, I have contacted Stylark for our monthly makes, and I have said I am making this with people. I would like more instructions. Like I said, it's not saying I can't make it on with see, actually just looking at the pattern, I know how to make it. I have had an awesome tip. Who I want to say, I really want to say Nikki or Vicky. Might be Vicky, might be Nikki. It's Icky with a V or an N. Okay, not in icky as in a bad way, like it's one of those. Anyway, told that the bodice, because I already cut mine out, told the bodice should possibly be longer, and not putting the pockets currently, there's a center panel, okay, and the pockets sit there. Suggested putting them in the side. So what I'll do is I'll go on her suggestion with the pockets, and of course we'll guide you if you want to maintain them and put them in the front. The bodice, there's nothing I can do about it now. I've already cut the pattern out. So, and I used that scrap fabric to make my latest, what was a flame boy, my latest fern bird top, Madudu. Okay, so I am there with that. So I will get back in touch with you all. Tomorrow I've got to do a special vlog, as I said, for So Yellow March So Yellow 24. I've also would like to go to my mother's and do an unboxing. I'd like to do that. So I might have to skip the tutorial tomorrow. I'll see how I am going. I'll see how my head is feeling with this, because at the moment I said to my singing teacher, it looks like I've had 2 horns taken off, which wouldn't be far wrong, but it looks like I've had horns taken off me. But she said, no, it just looks painful. I said, oh, it's feeling painful. It's not painful. It's just a headache. That's all it is. It's just a headache. Had one of those before today, so all good as wood. So anyway, I thought, you know, I didn't think I was going to get on and say anything, but I thought, nah, you guys know me. It is what it is. It's not like I was cut like the first time, but like the first time back in 2015. Nothing like that. So I am happy that I came on. I will do this vlog up tonight. It's a very short one, very short, but that's where I am with my Monday make nines for 2024. Rock on. So people say stay well, stay warm. I'm starting to say that to us Kiwis because we got meatballs for dinner. Mr. Christopher cooked it while we were at singing lessons. And the tree next door fell down. It was the one that she didn't want pulled down. It's the one he did want pulled down. So he won accidentally due to the weather. That's how bad the weather was. The tree fell down next door. And keep cool. Keep on sewing. See, I knew where I was up to. And stay hydrated. And no regrets. She says as she looks at the big lumps on her head. Do you know Christopher hasn't noticed? C'est la vie. He'll say, I thought I noticed something. No, you didn't, Christopher. You didn't notice nothing, mate. Okay, guys, thanks heaps for watching. Sorry it's short and sweet. No, it's probably you're happy that it's short and sweet. But that's where I am with Make Nines. Tomorrow's another day. Let's bring on the sunshine. I mean, seriously, autumn, 4 days in, can't be this bad already. Right. Take care, bye.